really confused. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very fun, short but sweet unboxing. So I've just finished work. My parcels have just finished quarantining by the front door, so I figured what better time to show you guys what I've been buying than right now. I have been shopping on MURAD. If you watched my recent MURAD skincare video, then you will know that there were two products that I was absolutely obsessed with, and I literally feel like from the beginning of the video right through to the end I was saying I was gonna buy them, and guys, I bought them. So yeah, so that is what today's video is going to be, a very exciting MURAD unboxing. Also, before we start, I have to say that when I bought these stuff, MURAD were having their bank holiday sale. They had 20% off everything, which I think they don't really have that. The highest discount is like 15% off when you first sign up. So 20% off is really huge. And I just had to grab this offer because one of the products was like £70. And like I said in my other video, that's a lot of money. So I was really happy that I could get that product for a reduced price. But I'm gonna stop rambling, and without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so I've got my MURAD box. Let me see if I can open it. I need scissors. So let's go through what I have ordered. Okay, so I've got my receipt. That's just what I got. Fab. Everything looks like it has arrived. Ooh, okay. So I thought I got 3 samples. They only sent me 2. That is not very nice. Ooh. Oh, I am really confused. What is this? I feel like they have given me... I did not order this. Or did I? I need to check my order. Okay guys, listen, I'm very confused. So first up, I have the MURAD REVITALIXIR Recovery Serum. This is for your face and your eyes. If you watched my previous MURAD skincare video, then you will know I was absolutely blown away with this serum. Not only is it pink, not only is it glitter, not only is it iridescent, but it made my skin feel so great. It smelled so great and so amazing. I honestly could not recommend this enough. Like, my face the next day was just absolutely amazing. My skin looked really glowy, really healthy, really nourished. It was not dry. My skin gets so dry deep in the layers. I talk about this all the time, but with this serum, my face was not dry. I rely so much on my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum, so I'm always a bit like, no other product can, does, will properly be able to care for my skin. But this serum is a serious contender. Like I said in that video, this was £70, but because I managed to get a discount on all of this, I got 20% off, so this was not £70 when I bought it. So that was why I decided to buy it, because guys, this is so good. I think it is actually worth the £70, but I'm just glad that I was able to get it for less than £70. And then what else do I have? Okay, cool. And then next up, I have the MURAD Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi-Cleanser. Guys, oh my god, this cleanser was just... I think I said it was the cleanser that I was always looking for that I didn't know I needed. But guys, this cleanser, oh my gosh. It was just so great, really hydrating, really nourishing. I could feel that it had actual like prebiotic bits in it. Like, it really just felt very like cleansing and nourishing. My skin felt so clean and again so hydrated. This did not strip my skin at all, so after using it my face felt really like plump and nourished and soft. Again, like the next morning when I woke up, you saw in that video, my skin looked so clear. and I think it was the perfect base for like any skincare. I really believe that like cleansing is like the perfect first step for like skincare as a whole. This is such a great cleanser. Again, you guys know I have a weird love-hate relationship with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and I kind of feel like at this point in my skincare journey, I like the Soy Face Cleanser and I can use it, I don't mind using it, but I think secretly, low-key, I'm always on the lookout for another cleanser. And you know what? I found it. I'm really happy with this cleanser. It was so great. Again, I think this was like £36, but I got it on sale, so Murad had their offer and I got 20% off this. So all in all, for these two, I paid like £86 for the both of them. I think instead, both of them together, it's something like £104 or something. So to get these both together for £86, I think is just such a bargain, especially when this alone is £70. So such a great deal. And then onto the samples that I got. So I actually got 3 samples, but they have not sent me all 3 samples, which is kind of confusing because they've sent me something completely different. But they did send me 2 of the samples. So the 2 samples that I chose that they actually sent me were the Resurgent Retinol Youth Renewal Serum and the Resurgent Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I get so many emails from Murad about their retinol products, and I have been really wanting to try retinol for the longest time, but I'm kind of scared, not really there yet. So I thought that if I picked up these 2 samples, I can at least see if their products are any good at all. And like I always do, I'm gonna have videos, first impressions on these, so we can go through them together to see how I like them. If you've tried these, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts were on them. And yeah, so according to the backs of these, 93% saw a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, 87% noticed firmer skin. For me, my skin is pretty much still together, but I know that, you know, prevention is better than the cure. So we will see how these work on my skin. I'm hoping that they work quite well. And then finally, I have this Murad Resurgent Rapid Collagen Infusion. I did not order this, but they have sent this to me. I actually ordered the Night Fix Enzyme Treat Serum, so I have randomly just got a free gift in here. But yeah, so this is what I got. I have no idea what this is, but I'm gonna definitely use this and I will have a video on this, and then we will see how everything works. So yeah, like I said, this is just a really quick Murad unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what I got because I recently went shopping and I'm really just starting to really love Murad products, so I will probably be buying more Murad products in the future. Okay guys, so that is me done with my Murad unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and your thoughts on them, or if there are other Murad products that you think I might like to try. I really wanted to get their new Vita C Duo, but because I hadn't tried them before and they are a bit expensive, I was weary of buying them full size in case I didn't like them. They had an offer on where you could get them free, but you couldn't combine that with the offer that I got these reduced. So I think I might try and get those samples another time. But yeah, so let me know if there are any other products that you think I might like to try. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, guys. We're close to 100, although I think maybe at this point we might already be 100. I love how much we're growing. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.